Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and let me show you how to turn on night mode. So at first, unroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then find and select display, and here you will notice eye comfort mode. So if you wish to activate it, just use the switcher, and from now on it is active. If you'll tap on the left side of the button, you can personalize it a bit, so you can choose adaptive option or custom. So let me choose on custom, and here you can smoothly change the temperature. So it's up to you, however you like it. You can also schedule your eye comfort mode by tapping on set schedule, and here you can either pick from sunset to sunrise, so it will be active every sunset and will be active till sunrise, or you can click on custom, and here you can pick the hours between which your eye comfort mode will be active. So that's it. Then you can smoothly turn it off by using this top switcher. And this is it. This is how you can protect your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.